While we're learning about circles, we'll have some learning targets. First, you should be able to use and determine the standard and general forms of the equation of a circle. Also, you should be able to graph circles, and by the end of this, you should be comfortable with the vocabulary of circles, like radius and diameter. So what exactly is a circle? A circle is a set of all points that are equal distance from the one center point. So let's take a set of points that are all the same difference away, which is called a radius. So you could draw any line between here and here, and it would be the equal number, which is r. So here, r, anywhere. So if we erase all this, and the center point is right here, the center point is usually called HK. And then r, so the radius. This would be the diameter, but we're not talking about that yet. So, the radius, to find the radius, there's an equation that we're going to use, which is the standard circle equation. So, essentially, this is r, and this is the center or the origin, and this is where it meets the circle, which is xy. And so to find the radius, you're going to take, basically this is a slope of this line and this line. So this line right here is basically y minus k. And this one right here is x minus h. And so as you can see, this makes a right triangle because these are two perpendicular lines. And so all you need to do is use the Pythagorean theorem with the y minus k and the x minus h, and you will find the r, which is the radius of the circle. So the equation that we're working with is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So any x and y values that make this equation true are the ones that are on this outside circle. And then, yeah. So just to show you this equation, we're going to plug in numbers. For x, we're going to do 2, and for y, we're going to do 5. And for h and k, we're going to do 0, 0, just to make it easy. So, if x is 2, that would make h0 and then squared plus y, which equals 5, minus, h is 0, sorry, and 5, which is, or k, which is 0. This would be squared, and then this equals r squared. So what happens is this would equal 2 squared plus 5 squared equals r squared. And then if we square 2, it's going to be 4. And we square 5, it's going to be 25. And then r squared, I always drop that down. 25 and 4 is 29. And then r squared. So to do this, we're going to square root, just to take out the squared on the r, which this happens to be 5.38 equals r. I like to write the equation first. So the equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the equation that's given is x plus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 49. So what, as you can see, these are really close, so they're already in the form. But there's a problem here because this is minus and this is plus. So what you can do is you can put x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 49. And the square, and so you can see that this is h, and this is k, and this will be r. So we already have, you can say that the center hk equals negative 3, 4. So that's the center. And then the radius is the square root of this. And 49 is a simple square root. It is 7. So graphing circles is pretty easy. All you have to do is, if you know how to do the equation, you know that the center, we'll just do an easy one, and the center will be 0, 0. So usually where the origin is, and then we'll just say the radius is like 1, and so the distance for 1, and then you do the distance for 1, and once you go around and you get enough points, you can just plot it, and it'll be 0. If you're graphing super hard questions, like super hard ones that you just can't do, like just one bar or something, or like the centers out here, you could plug it in to the equation of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and you can just plug it in, find the points, and plot them. So we're going to work on a challenging question real quick. So the challenging question that we're going to do is x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 14y minus 47 equals 0. So as you see, it's not in standard form, so we have to convert it to standard form. So first step is you're grouping the terms. So you're going to do x squared plus 4x plus y squared plus 14y. And then you can move the 47 over. So that is positive, it's 47. Equals 47. And the next step is you're going to do x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then y squared plus 14y plus 49. And this will equal 100. Next you're going to factor, so it'll be x minus 2 squared, then y plus 7 squared equals 100. And just to make sure we got it, I'm going to write down the original equation, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So then after that, you know h is going to be 2, and k will equal -7, and r, once you square root the 100, you're going to get 10. So the center is 2, -7 for the center. And the radius equals 10. So now all we gotta do is graph it. Since we have the center, we know that the center will be around 2, -7. So it'll be around here. And then if we go 10 out, this is going to be a big circle. So it'll go around about like that. And yep.